Welcome to Bangladesh, a country of incredible natural beauty that is waiting to be explored. From rolling hills to pristine beaches, from vast mangrove forests to tea gardens, this beautiful country offers a wide range of breathtaking landscapes and diverse ecosystems that are sure to leave a lasting impression on visitors. Today, we invite you to join us on a journey to discover the natural beauty of Bangladesh, a destination that promises to be unlike any other. Get ready to experience the breathtaking beauty of this incredible country. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey to explore 10 best natural beauty of Bangladesh. St. Martin's Island comes first in our list. It's a small island located in the Bay of Bengal and is a part of Bangladesh. The island is known for its stunning natural beauty and is a popular tourist destination. The crystal-clear waters of the Bay of Bengal, combined with the lush tropical forest, it creates a breathtakingly beautiful environment. The coral reefs around the island are also a major attraction, as they are home to a variety of colorful and exotic marine life, including tropical fish, sea turtles, and dolphins. Cox's Bazar comes next in our list. Located in the southeast of Bangladesh, the city is home to the longest beach in the world, the Cox's Bazar Beach, which stretches over 120 kilometers and offers a peaceful and serene environment. The clear blue waters of the Bay of Bengal, combined with the white sand and green hills, create a picturesque setting that attracts thousands of tourists every year. Number 3 is the Bandarbans. Located in the Chittagong division of Bangladesh, is a stunningly beautiful mountain range known for its natural beauty. The region is dotted with stunning hills, scenic forests, and fast-flowing rivers, creating a breathtaking landscape that is truly unique. The area is also famous for its stunning waterfalls and breathtaking hills. The Bandarbans is also home to a rich diversity of wildlife, including the Asian elephant, Bengal tiger, and Hulak gibbon. The Bandarbans offers a unique opportunity to experience the natural beauty and cultural richness of Bangladesh. Sajek Valley is next destination in our list. A breathtakingly beautiful destination located in the Rangamati Hill district of Bangladesh. Surrounded by stunning hills and huge green forests, the valley offers a truly peaceful and serene environment that is perfect for nature lovers. The valley is known for its scenic beauty, with the clouds often rolling in and enveloping the area in a sea of mist. In number 5 it's Rangamati. It is a beautiful hill district located in southeastern Bangladesh, known for its splendid natural beauty. The district is dotted with fabulous hills, plush green forests, and fast-flowing rivers, creating a breathtaking landscape that is truly unique. In number 6 it's Sylhet. Located in northeastern Bangladesh, is a breathtakingly beautiful destination known for its stunning natural beauty. Sylhet is famous for its tea gardens, with sprawling tea estates dotted throughout the region, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscapes. The area is also home to several scenic waterfalls which add to the region's natural beauty. Srimangal, the tea capital of Bangladesh, comes in number 7 in our list. Located in the northeastern part of Bangladesh, is a breathtakingly beautiful destination known for its stunning natural beauty. Srimangal is famous for its tea gardens, with sprawling tea estates dotted throughout the region, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscapes. The area is also home to several scenic locations, such as the Beka Beel wetlands and the La Chara National Park, which add to the region's natural beauty. The Sundarbans is our next destination, that is number 8. Located in the southwestern part of Bangladesh, the Sundarbans is a breathtakingly beautiful mangrove forest known for its stunning natural beauty. The region is home to the largest mangrove forest in the world, providing a vital habitat for a diverse array of wildlife, including the Bengal tiger, saltwater crocodile, and Irrawaddy dolphin. The area is also famous for its scenic beauty, with winding rivers creating a peaceful and serene environment that is perfect for nature lovers. Kolkata, the daughter of the sea, is number 9 in our list. Located in southwestern Bangladesh, it is a breathtakingly beautiful destination known for its stunning natural beauty. The city is situated on the coast of Bay of Bengal, offering stunning panoramic views of the ocean and sandy beaches. Kolkata is also famous for its scenic sunsets, with the sun sinking into the ocean in a brilliant display of color. Kangwar Her, 100 square kilometers of wetland, comes in number 10. This wetland is located in the northeastern part of Bangladesh, and is a breathtakingly beautiful destination known for its stunning natural beauty. The area is a large, shallow depression that fills with water during the monsoon season, creating a vast freshwater lake that is surrounded by rolling hills and lush green forests. Pangwarhur is famous for its diverse array of flora and fauna, with a wide range of bird species, including migratory birds, making the area their home. Bangladesh, a land of incredible natural beauty, offers a wide range of breathtaking landscapes and diverse ecosystems that are sure to leave a lasting impression on visitors. Bangladesh is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the natural beauty of this incredible country. So, come and explore the beauty of Bangladesh, a destination that promises to leave a lasting impression on your mind and soul. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell button.